Hey guys, not Charlie Team CC here. It's another in-person video today. So I found a pancake recipe and I decided I was gonna mess with it. So if y'all want to, y'all can follow along. But as I'm recording this, I don't know if the pancakes are gonna come out very good. So yeah. Okay, so the recipe calls for 1 cup of flour, which I'm getting right now, or gluten-free flour. In case you can't guess, I can't have gluten. So I'm gonna add the cup of gluten-free flour. Recipe also calls for a teaspoon of baking powder, which I'm getting right now. Get the baking powder in there. And now the recipe tells me to get a new bowl. Okay, so in this new bowl, pour 3/4 of a cup of milk. And add 1 large egg. Please tell me no shells go in there. Yeah, I did it. Now it's these together with like a fork or a whisk or something. Alright, so I got it mostly mixed up. And we're gonna pour the dry mix into the wet mix. And now I'm gonna go grab a whisk and whisk it up. Okay, so now what you wanna do, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Better have enough because it doesn't sound like it has much. It smells like dewdrops from heaven. And this vanilla extract is completely empty. And now for the part that might make this pancake, that might ruin this pancake recipe. The chocolate peanut butter or hazelnut spread or whatever you're using. I'm just gonna put 1 scoop of it in. Yeah. Hold on, I gotta get something to get this off. Now I have no idea how well this is gonna mix, but I'll try and mix it. Surprisingly, that mixed very well. So now pull out a pan and oil it lightly. And put it on like low to medium heat. I'm gonna put the oil on it, like a little bit, and then I'm just gonna spread it around. The pan's not heated up yet, so. Yep. And I'm gonna set it on, for my stove, it is 3. And I'm just gonna let that heat up a little bit. So we're gonna add some more. And guys, if y'all want more cooking content like this, let me know in the comments. Because I don't know if y'all prefer stuff like this or what y'all prefer. But yeah, let me know. If you got any recipes, leave them in the comments and I'll try them out. Preferably gluten-free because I can't eat gluten. But yeah, I'll come back to y'all when I think it's ready to put the batter on. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the batter on. And yeah. Oh, it's so easy to pour on. Well, I'm gonna pause the recording and I'll bring y'all back when I flip it. So I forgot to mention, with the time you want to flip it, just every now and then check it. I was waiting for it to bubble, because that's usually how pancakes work. I don't know if This one's ready. It's sticking to the spatula a lot. I don't know if this is ready. It doesn't look like it. I don't really know how to check on this. Usually when you're making pancakes, you want to wait until the top part starts bubbling. That hasn't happened yet though, so. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna try and flip it because it's smelling like burnt chocolate right now. Kind of panicking. I'm gonna flip this. There we go. That went well. Kind of panicking. I wasn't here just to not let it's popping. It's popping. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna say that it's ready. I don't like how it's popping. Now this is a perfect pancake. I just spilled a bunch of batter and I gotta clean that up, but the pan is smoking. I don't know why the pan is smoking. I accidentally turned the heat up too high. That's why the pan is smoking so much. Oh, this is gonna take a lot of scrubbing to clean. That's kind of burnt. So, I might have to get a new pan for this. Because it's kind of, having some issues. This pancake was a flop. Maybe it's edible. Almost got popped there. Alright, on to the next pancake. Okay. Pour the batter. Hopefully this one doesn't erupt into flames. I don't know why it would erupt into flames. Hopefully it doesn't erupt into flames. But that last pancake didn't go so well. And honestly, I think I only have one more pancake, like after this one. So this pancake kind of got messed up, but it's fine. It's salvageable. Okay, I just got batter all over my shirt. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back and I'm ready to pour the last pancake batter. So these pancakes are finishing scary fast. So I gotta hurry. Half of the pancake fell off. Can't get this smaller half onto the spatula. Pancakes are ready. Well, here's the finished result. They're not looking so good. Some of them came out really well, but not all of them. And I'm gonna let them cool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna eat them, and I'll give y'all an honest review. Alright, so now it's time to try the pancakes. I'm just gonna try this one. This is without syrup, without any toppings. I mean, it's decent. I'm gonna try with syrup on it. First, the rating. I'm gonna get one more bite. and I'm gonna rate just the plain pancake. Okay, so texture, perfect, just how you would want a pancake. The taste is, I mean, you can taste the chocolate, but it's not a very strong chocolatey taste. It's not that great. For taste, I'll give it a 5 out of 10. For texture, I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. And it's really easy to make, so I'll give that an 8 out of 10. And yep. Okay, overall rating, 7 out of 10. Now I'm gonna try it, like the taste with syrup. All right, so I've got the syrup. Take a piece. I mean, it tastes like if you put Nutella on a pancake that had syrup on it. So, I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10 with syrup on it. But overall, without the syrup, it's definitely just a 7 out of 10. Alright, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna get back to eating my pancakes. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if y'all guys want more cooking videos. I got a Minecraft video, like Minecraft Bed Wars, in the making. So keep an eye out for that. Yeah, I'll see you guys.